Guys, something really, really weird has happened. So if you go to my channel, this video is, I don't know, but it was like Morse code. So, yeah, if you go to my channel, look, Playing Evil Nun, watch this one.
Oh no. So today I will be playing Evil Nun. And
This is really, really weird.
Maybe it's a bit like Granny, but it's not that similar.
Okay.
Fast. Oh, that's kind of...
Okay, so let's just skip
by
this.
the way.
Listen, did you just hear that heavy breathing? Listen again, listen. Ready? Here you go, listen.
Oh God, I knocked the picture down. Right, this is new.
Can you hear that heavy breathing, like the... It's really weird. Now watch this, watch. It's really
God,
weird.
I can hear footsteps. But luckily I'm hiding.
This is really, really, really scary. I still hear the heavy breathing.
No.
Right, this is really weird, guys. You need to dislike this video. It was like Morse code. Now listen. It just stops.
Here we're coming.
Here we go. Now listen now. Now watch, ready?
Right by me. Oh my God.
This is really freaky.
She was like somewhere else.
Listen.
And hide. Now, what the heck? It must be an eye.
Can you hear that? I mean, that is really, really, really freaky.
What is this?
Guys, did you just hear that? It's like... that, guys, this is really, 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 really bad. Okay. I mean, I just can't believe this. I'm putting this video on YouTube right now. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to stop recording now. Oh, someone just... 3, 2, 1.